Yeah, like I'm done with PCB. Like I've never been a team player. I've never been someone that's very good with friends. Like I don't do friends. That's not my thing. And I think I proved that, you know, throughout my WWE career so far. And, you know, I just kind of had enough because I feel like I started the Divas Revolution and I didn't get the recognition I deserved throughout the whole thing. If Charlotte's going to be a hypocrite and do this whole celebration after she just talked so much crap about Nikki having a celebration for being the longest reigning Divas champion, and then she become champion and all of a sudden wants to celebrate in the ring. Like, I didn't do that. The next day I started working hard. I continued to work hard. I wasn't popping balloons and popping champagne. I was like, no, I won this and I'm gonna try and keep this as long as possible. I'm not gonna throw a party about it, you know? So it just feels like she just kind of got too big for her boots, and Becky, I feel like, hasn't really done anything. So I'm just done with the group. I'm done, and like this is my division, this is my house, and I'm about to take it over again. I feel like it's a different kind of success. I mean, like it's only really starting to get a big recognition now in NXT because of the network, which is amazing that we have the network. It's absolutely incredible. So more people can see like what goes on behind the scenes down in NXT and what goes on, and you know who's coming up and stuff like that. So they're getting more people can like see, you know, more people can get to know them before they come up on the main roster.